Hello traders, today is the 2nd of January 2011, and happy New Year to you all. Okay, and we have here the true strength index indicator. Okay, this video is about how you can use the true strength index indicator. Okay. One of the main advantage of the true strength indicator, okay, is that when the price is consolidating, okay, as you can see here, the price went up, went down, went up, went down, but at that particular time, the true strength indicator was rising. Okay, I'm using here the true strength indicator period 60, 20, and 10 now. In this particular case, the signal line is not displayed on this chart. So we are using the true strength indicator, period 60, 20. Okay, the long period is 60, the medium period 20, and the signal line is 10. The advantage of using the true strength indicator is that when a price is consolidating, you will see in most cases that is the true strength indicator, okay, will indicate the direction of the future price, okay. So you see here that the price was consolidating in this zone, okay, but the true strength indicator was rising, alerting us that the price has a high probability to continue the movement to break out of the consolidation zone to the upside. So for those who are using the breakout trading method, this is a very powerful indicator that you will learn to use. Okay, so the true strength indicator will be rising when the price was still in the consolidation period. You wait for the price itself to confirm the direction to you. After you break this consolidation zone, you know straight away that the movement will continue to the upside as the true strength indicator was indicating to you before the breakout. Okay, so this is one of the advantage of using the true strength indicator. Okay, one of the mistakes that many new traders are making is that when they start trading first, they will be using all sort of indicator out of curiosity. They want to try this one, trying this indicator. I have done the same thing before. Usually people end up having all sort of problem without any particular trading system in place. You are just going round, 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 round. Okay, so if you want to learn to use some of the indicator, you need to spend time, okay, to understand the indicator, to learn it properly, and to know exactly how to use it instead of trying every indicator out of curiosity. Okay. Now, again here, as you can see, the price was consolidating in this zone here, going up and down, but the true strength indicator was rising here. As you can see here, it was rising during the consolidation period, pointing in the direction of the future breakout. You will not take any position until you see the price break above the consolidation zone. Okay, this is how you'll use the CCI indicator, not the CCI indicator. I repeat, not the CCI indicator, the true strength indicator, like a professional trader. Okay, here again we have one clear example. Okay, I will show you. Bear with me as I'm moving this here. Okay, to get to where I want to get to. Okay, now here you can see that the price was consolidating. Here again the price went down. You see here the price went down and then went into horizontal, which is a consolidation period for many days. Okay, on this chart of ExxonMobil, okay, the price was consolidating here for many days, but during that time the true strength indicator, period 60, 20, 10, okay, was going down. Okay, it was going down, going down during the consolidation period, pointing the direction of the future breakdown. Exactly there, when the price confirm now the breakdown, you will take advantage of that, because the price is the number one indicator. You must wait for the price to confirm exactly what the indicator is showing to you. Okay, this is how you use the true strength indicator like a professional trader. Okay. Sometimes we have what some traders call a false signal. Okay, when people get into trouble because they do not understand how the momentum indicator function. Okay, I think we have one example here. This is one example here. That's where many traders will get into trouble. As you can see, the price went down. Okay, went up, was going up and down here, and what the true strength indicator was doing here, it was going down. Okay, it was going down, leading many traders to think that the price was going down. Okay, but if you are always waiting for the price to show you the direction, you won't get into this trouble. Okay, so that you can see clearly that the true strength indicator was going down. Okay, was going down, clearly going down. Okay, leading traders to believe that the breakdown is going to go to the downside. As you can see, if you draw your line, this is the low. The prior went below it. Okay, it went below it, but not perfectly. It went below it with this candle here. If you followed my cursor right here, followed by another bullish candle, that's not a proper breakdown. So if you watch our video about how to recognize clearly a fake breakdown, you won't fall into this trap by using the volume on the chart. Okay, if you place the volume on your chart, you will know straight away that this is a fake breakdown, even though the true strength indicator was leading you to believe that the price is going down. Okay, so in this particular case, the price fake. Okay, this is what we call a bearish trap, fake like going down with this candle here. But if you understand the language of the price, you'll know that there is no bearish momentum at all here, because this bearish candle was in fact just break below the low of this here, and followed by another bullish candle. There's no bearish momentum at all here. This is a fake break down. So by those who are using the indicator, paying attention only to the indicator, we get into trouble here by selling only to see the price returning back to the box, and the price in fact has displayed here a clear cut double bottom pattern, and the price just went up. Okay, that's why we always say that the price is the number one indicator. You must look at the indicator, but you must pay attention to the price when you are about to enter the trade. What you need to look at is not the indicator, it's the price itself, to understand the language of the price, what the price itself is trying to communicate to you, to avoid accusing the indicator for giving you the wrong information. The indicator is just indicating or repeating exactly what the price is trying to communicate to you, just to help you to understand the price itself. You can perfectly look at the price itself, the number one indicator, and understand the language of the price and know exactly where the price is likely to go. As you can see here, if you draw a horizontal line here, I will draw on this chart for you. That's why I say to traders, look at the price all the time, keep your eyes wide open, do not blink. Okay, this is very, very important. That's how the professional are trading. So if you draw your horizontal line here, as I draw it here, okay, you can see that the low of this point here, when I place my cursor, you move in my cursor at this point. At this point, this candle is the one that went below, just a little bit below this horizontal line. Okay, right there, followed by a bullish candle right there. Okay, a bullish candle here. Okay, so this bullish candle is just telling us straight away there is no bearish momentum. The price went back into the box. You have to be careful here. The price came back again and bumped at the same level like this candle here, displaying a double bottom pattern. The price went up. But if you were only using the true strength indicator like a robot, that's why we do not encourage people to use robot trading software, but to use trading system instead, so that they can open their own eyes and understand what the price is doing together with the trading system. This is the key for consistent winning trade. But if in this particular case you are only paying attention or using mechanically without paying attention to the price, because you know that the true strength indicator always going down before, is always breaking down, you are just following the indicator instead of following the price, you may get into trouble here, accusing the indicator for nothing, blaming the indicator for nothing, but in fact it's because you have failed to observe what the price itself, the number one indicator, is showing to you. So this is how you use the CC indicator, a very powerful tool during a consolidation period, but the decision must be made by looking at the price itself, the number one indicator. Another very powerful pattern on this true strength indicator is the divergence. Okay, a very powerful. Whenever you see the true strength indicator displaying, as you can see here, a low followed by a higher low, and a price display a low followed by a lower low, that's a bullish divergence. A low by the price displayed by the price, a low followed by a lower low displayed by the price. But the CCI itself by that time is rising. That's an excellent bullish divergence, and you will take advantage of that. As you can see, this is a clear bullish divergence, and the price just went up big time. Okay, one of the advantage of using also the true strength indicator is similar to the MACD, but even better indicator than the MACD indicator. I have to accept that, even though I prefer MACD. The true strength indicator, whenever the true strength indicator cross the zero line, repeat, when the true strength indicator cross the zero line, especially on a daily chart, that's a clear indication to you to look for opportunity to buy. A very powerful tool to put into your arsenal of trading. But remember, before you enter a trade, your eyes must be always on the price, the number one indicator. So we look at the price, we look at the indicator, but when we are about to enter the trade, our eye is mainly on the price to understand what the price is trying to communicate to us in order to achieve a consistent winning trade day after day. Okay, so right here again, another signal is the crossing of the zero line. So when you see the CCI, the true strength, why am I saying all the time CCI? Because I did a video recently about CCI indicator. My apology for saying all the time CCI. This is not the CCI indicator, this is the true strength indicator. Whenever you see the true strength indicator crossing above the zero line, so it's rising first. We want to see it from below, rising from below. Okay, we want to see not just crossing the zero line to the upside, we want to see rising first and then cross the zero line. So it's rising and crossing the zero line. That's an excellent place to buy, to look for opportunity to buy. Okay, we do not say buy, we say look for opportunity to buy, because you're going to look first at the price and check carefully your entry point in order to maximize your profit. Okay, very important right there. That's an excellent signal. Another point also right here, you can see that the CCI, you cannot see the zero line perfectly because this software does not allow me to draw the horizontal line on the on the indicator. Right here it crossed the zero line here, the price went into a bearish movement. Okay, so when it's going down, and then when you have to see the true strength indicator going down and then cross the zero line, that's excellent point also to look for opportunity to sell when it's going down and cross the zero line to the downside. That's an excellent place to look for opportunity to sell. Another thing that I want to say to you regarding the true strength indicator is that when a true strength indicator is below the zero line, pay attention very carefully. When a true strength indicator is below the zero line and the price display a lower high, you must look for opportunity to sell big time. I repeat, when the true strength indicator is below the zero line and the price display a lower high, you must look for opportunity to sell big time. When the true strength indicator is above the zero line, repeat, when the true strength indicator is above the zero line and the price display also a higher low, you must look for an opportunity to buy big time. Okay, so to summarize quickly this indicator for you, the true strength indicator is another momentum indicator, better than the MACD indicator. It's excellent for predicting or for leading you into to show you in advance the direction of the price after a consolidation period. That's the number one advantage of the true strength indicator. So if you are a breakout trader, this must be your favorite indicator, because during a consolidation period, as is happening here, it will clearly show you where the price is likely to go, the high probability of the direction of the price. But you do not enter the trade until the price break out of the consolidation zone. You wait for the price to confirm what the indicator is showing to you. That's the best way to do it. Okay, another place that I showed you before, there was another clear indication also where the CCI is not the CCI. I keep saying CCI. I must stop saying CCI now. Okay, forgive me. So now, when the true strength indicator also is consolidation, there was another example that I showed you before. I hope you can remember that. Also showing you the direction. But there are times when the true strength indicator will lead you to believe that the price is going in one particular direction during a consolidation period. But if it happened to be a fake signal, remember, a failure of a signal is the opposite signal. The TSTW24 traders know perfectly that information. A failure of a signal is the opposite signal. Okay, so when we see the true strength indicator, okay, during a consolidation period, going down, going down, going down, leading us to believe that the price is going down, but it was a fake breakdown, we will look for opportunity to buy instead. I repeat, when the true strength indicator is going down during the consolidation period, leading us to believe that the price will break down, but it happened to be a fake breakdown, we will instead look for opportunity to buy, because a failure of a signal is the opposite signal. Okay, here you can see that the price was consolidating, going up and down. The true strength indicator was rising, leading us to believe that the price has a probability to go to the upside. And right here, the price break above this consolidation period. This is a valid breakout. The price retraced back to retest the consolidation zone, and the price went up a bit. Okay, so this is how you use the true strength, indicator like a professional trader. Another pattern on the true strength indicator, not the CCI indicator, even though I keep making that mistake of saying CCI. This is not a CCI indicator, this is the true strength indicator. Is that when the true strength indicator is rising and cross the zero line, we will look for opportunity to buy, and when the true strength indicator is going down and cross the zero line to the downside, we will look for opportunity to sell. Okay, and when the true strength indicator is above the zero line and the price display a higher low, we will look for opportunity to buy big time. And when the true strength indicator is below the zero line and the price is giving us a lower high, we will look for opportunity to sell big time. I hope you enjoyed the video also, that you put into practice in order to cream the market consistently. We are the TSTWSYS08 traders. If you want to join us and also become a TSTWSYS08 trader, you need to go to www.stochastic-macd.com. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Speak to you soon. Thank you for watching.